this is Manang Mimi. I have a plant tour here in the house. Good morning. This is my hibiscus. They survived for, this is the last winter and they survived. This is color red and then this one is I think color pink, but it didn't have flowers right now. That's my snake plant. No, wait a second. Petunia pink, and then the other one is color red. And that's yucca cane. Peace lily. Hold on, I'll move to the other side. And this is my pink popcorn. Pink popcorn blueberry. It's a pink blueberry, then it's blue. It's pink berry, I think, but it's blueberry, different variety. Two in that. And this is my palm tree that was given to me by my nice friend. And this is my calamungay moringa. I cut it, but it grew. I suppose cut it so their energy we're gonna use up in the roots, but look what happened. And I have these two limoncito that was sent to me by my good friend from Mississippi. Thank you very much, my dear. And this one too is from her. It's a yellow rose. And this is my palm tree. Supposed to be, this is a big palm tree. Supposed to be, I was gonna separate these two, so they were gonna kind of like have two separate palm tree, but just doesn't have a time the last time because I'm focused on the gardening and didn't think about doing stuff. So next time I have to really schedule it. And this is, I don't know, I forgot, Dracaena. And that's my plant here in this closer by the window. And also I have my photos here. It's growing longer and longer until here, so I decided to cut it off and propagate it because look, it's really long. And so I decided to propagate it, and here it is. It's getting longer again. That's my photos. And Mayana. This is my Mayana. They survived for the last winter. They are not perennial, they are annual plant, but I keep it inside so they will survive. And then I have my grape tomato inside, and look at that little guy. And I tried to put that chayote from the store, and we'll see if, oh my, look, hopefully they will survive, but I'll just try if it work. And this is my cherry tomato. And at the back, this is apple from the seeds that I bought from the store, the PG, I think, PG apple. It's growing and haven't been seen outside. It just I just put that in a corner and it's grow good. And my pepper, I cut it off just to survive, but it gives leaves here. And then this is my moringa, my calamungay too, and still the same. And I think it's lemon or lime, either. And that's my very own. I mean, like I have lots of succulents before, but I cannot. You know, it died. It died, and I don't know how to taking care of it. And this is chives that's ready to harvest, but we'll see if I can harvest that next time. And this is my kalamunggay, my moringa, and I'm not sure what it is, but I know there is seeds that is scattered there like berries. And that's my lemon, and this one is my, I'm supposed to be transferred this in the grounds to survive my grapes, bluebell grapes, but I haven't have a chance to do that because busy the last time. This is my oregano and my chives and my rosemary. Now look, I prune this rose, pink rose, and have a young leaves growing. And here the corner have my orchids. Look, there's a new leaves. This is the in my laundry area, and this is my lucky bamboo. I just tried to transfer it. I put that in here and then I transfer it in this small pot. Hopefully they were gonna grow. They were gonna grow good. It will. It's dry, so I just put water. And this is my goji berry. That's my goji berry. And my photos with avocado. Look, it's growing. I grew that from the store. I mean, the seeds from the store. And this is my goji berry that I propagate from the very big one. Okay, and I'll show you downstairs. I will gonna go downstairs. Okay, I have plants here. I have growing light here in the basement, and I have this tanglad or lemongrass. So hopefully it will survive. And this is the avocado. I cut it so if the energy will focus on the roots. Yeah, but there's couple shoots in here, and this is my pepper. And look at my kangkong. Remember, I harvest all my kangkong before, and this is what it is now. It's growing again and ready to harvest. And that's my peace lily, my lemon, and my lime. It's growing now. I get to check them every now and then if it's dry or not. And this is my mayana. I think that's Dracaena or Dracena or whatever. This anthurium, white anthurium, and my cactus, and couple of my kalamunggay. And there's a bigger one here in the back, kalamunggay, and this one I cut it. And this is Titonia. It's a red color, and I don't know what is this. It was given to me really tiny, and now it's getting bigger. And this one is, I think, I'm not really familiar of plants, but I'm getting better each day. And this is my, look, tomato, my cherry tomato. Oh, I can see fruit in here. Okay, and hold on, there's 3 kangkong in there, and my dahlia is, I forgot it in the sink and haven't seen suppose I will clear that. Okay, this is couple of my pears that I bring inside. They need water because it's dry.
They brainwashed you.
Dick, I want to thank you for bringing everything.
So
This is from the bathroom. I cut this one in here and then I just poke it in there, and look, there's a baby in here on the other side too. Photos and snake plant. I have to remove this from here so we can use it. And I have my snake plant here in the corner. And there's another one in there. Outside. It's in one. This is given by a good friend. Look. She gave me this one only, and then may anak isa, duha, dako na. Palaanak ning iyahang snake plant.